Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to add links to Instagram stories. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply open Instagram on your phone and then simply tap on this blue button, this button here, and then simply tap to create your story. So if you want, you can upload photos or you can simply create from scratch. So I'm gonna create one from scratch for this tutorial, and then what you're gonna have to do, so I'm gonna change the background and then simply tap on this sticker button next to the music button in order to add links, and then scroll down and tap on link, and then here you can simply add your link. So I'm gonna enter something random and then simply tap on done, and basically that's all you have to do. Now if you want, you can simply tap to change the design of the link. And basically now if someone so if you post this story and then someone goes to your story, they can simply tap and then they can visit this link. You can add as many links as you like, so there are no limits to this. You can add to all of your stories. So basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.